So I got a Chevy Silverado 2020 without a tow hitch, and I'll be installing one today. It looks like it's only 4 bolts. Instructions say remove the factory hex bolts. So let's check that out. Here's the old truck. So here I am underneath. I'm assuming these are the hex bolts they were talking about. So I'm going to start on that right now. So these bolts are pretty hard to take out. If you have an impact wrench, I recommend it. Alright, got all 4 bolts out, right side and left side. Let's get the tow hitch. So she's up in place. Just gotta tighten her down.